where emerald lakes meet endless waterfalls, where forests guard secrets of time. This is Croatia's most enchanting wonder, Plitvice Lakes, a place so magical, it feels like stepping into another world. Stay with me as we uncover nature's masterpiece from above.
Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Now I'm at Plitvice Lake entrance, and you know it's winter, so the price is just €10, whereas if you come in summer it's €40. Here you also have the possibility to store your luggage free of cost, so that's a good thing. I got my luggage and I kept it because later I'm going to stay somewhere close to Plitvice.
A breathtaking paradise of 16 cascading lakes and over 90 waterfalls flowing together like a magical stairway of water.
This is just after the entrance. The first view that you get to see. I took a 6:45 AM FlixBus which cost me €15 to arrive to Plitvice. And make sure that when you come to Plitvice, you get down at entrance 1 because that is where you'll be able to do the shortest as well as the nicest paths from here. So there are many paths you need to research, A, B, C, so on. But C is what I'm going to do, which covers both lower and upper lakes. The path A and B are the easy routes and you will be just going through the lower lakes. But if you do path C, you will be able to see both lower and upper lakes and some amazing views. But it is going to be 8 kilometers and around 4 hours of complete trip.
Covering nearly 300 square kilometers, Plitvice is one of the oldest and largest national parks in the southeast Europe. From above, Plitvice Lakes reveals nature's masterpiece, water, rock and forest, woven into a living canvas that never stops changing.
As you can see, here I am all alone, so the best thing you have to do is arrive early in the morning or in the late evening, or else it's always gonna be crowded and you will hardly have a place to take your own picture here.
Visitors walk on wooden boardwalks floating above crystal waters, a design meant to protect this fragile ecosystem while offering an unforgettable experience.
All the lakes here as well as the waterfalls, they converge together to form the Corana river, which is said to have no source at all. Apart from Trail A, all the other trails that are there, you will be able to get the panoramic boat ride as well as the bus rides. The waterfalls here are named after the famous Croatian opera singer Milka Ternina.
What makes Plitvice truly unique is its constantly changing colors. The lakes shift from emerald green to deep blue and even grey, depending on the light and minerals in the water. It's a sanctuary of life, home to rare animals like lynxes, brown bears, wolves, and over 160 species of birds.
I can see lots of deer running.
Plitvice has inspired legends too. Locals once believed the lakes were created by the Black Queen, a mystical figure who sent a great storm to quench the land's thirst after a long drought.
The panoramic boat ride as well as the bus ride is included in the same entry ticket to Plitvice Park. So due to the bad conditions on the path C is closed, so I did the path B. It was very beautiful, and now this is the bus ride that I'll be taking back from the entrance 2 to entrance 1 where I put my luggage. So now I'm taking a bus from Plitvice to go to Sluns, where I will be spending time in Rastok village, which is one of the most beautiful part of Croatia as well. So when you are doing Plitvice, you can combine Rastok village in the same trip as well. And I'm going to stay tonight in Sluns. So let's go.
If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.